congratulations on your new gig, The Big Bull. I really want to know about that. How is that? That you prepared for the character that you played in The Big Bull. If you want to tell us about a little bit about character and what exactly is that you have to do to get into the shape for that, maybe health-wise, beauty-wise, everything. We want to know everything.
Of course, Big Bull, I'm playing the character of Priya.
Yeah.
And Priya is this girl from the 80s and the 90s, Gujarati girl living in a chawl, educated, who is in love with this character named Hemant Shah. And ultimately, of course, they get together. And she, of course, is not somebody you would imagine, the cliche women of 80s and the 90s. She's actually an educated, strong-headed girl who has an opinion of her own, who can give him a direction, show him the right or wrong. So I remember to kind of, funnily, to prepare for the character, I remember asking my director that, is there somebody I can go refer to? Is there somebody I can read about, watch, anything? And he told me that, no, there's no reference for you. You have to make it your own. And at that time, I said, oh my God, I'm really stuck here.
Yeah.
How do I do this? This is a big challenge for me. But at the same time, I'm really glad that happened, because together, the entire team, you have your costume, you have your hair makeup, your director, everybody does their research. And when something comes together, I think it's luckily turned out very nicely. So this is something we all created together. It was not something that we had to go refer to at any point. And of course, there is a bit of a Gujarati dialect that's involved there. She speaks in that little Gujarati accent.
Yeah.
So I had a coach on set who was constantly correcting me. We didn't want to go completely Gujarati because we wanted the Masi audience to understand. So as much as possible, we try to stick to that kind of an environment. So yeah, it was quite interesting working on it. Very new for me, playing a period character like that. And superb experience with everybody on it.
So yeah, the Abhishek Bachchan is starring in it as well. So how was your experience with working with the Chota B in such a nice period?
Chota B.
I think that's what everybody calls him.
I don't know how you can call him Chota B, because his personality is larger than life, I would say.
Wow.
Like when you see him in person, he comes across, of course, he's a very warm person, but you cannot ignore him when he's there in a room. You have to have a word with him, notice him. So Abhishek is a very fun person. I absolutely loved working with him. Great company to be in. Very humble. Is absolutely supportive in scenes.
Nice.
I was, of course, a little nervous when I was about to start shooting, but at the same time, he kind of makes you comfortable, and he's yeah. And again, there's a lot to learn from him, because of course he's way more experienced than me. So just the way he approaches his character, the way his code of conduct on set, it's very, very admirable.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so was shooting in these times were, of course, they must be a little different from how the shoots used to be before the COVID happens. But was it did you face a lot of problems while shooting this time? Because of
yeah, so we had a bit of patchwork left that we had to finish after the lockdown.
Okay.
So it was a little scary. Also, I remember when I had gone on set, that time, unfortunately, Abhishek had just recovered from him being positive. It had been about a month and a half since he'd recovered and resumed shoot. So everybody was very cautious, luckily. Everybody was in PP suits, and there was a very limited crew that we shot with. But at the same time, there was this little fear.
Okay.
Because, your first time you're stepping on set. That was the first shoot I did since the lockdown happened. It was the first time I was stepping into the van, even though the vans were sanitized. But, you have this fear in the back of your mind that what if, is everything safe? Is everything safe? Like, is everything taken care of? But I think you just ease out once you are there. You warm up to the whole idea of it. I've realized a lot of responsibility depends on the crew rather than us actors, because they have to be well covered and well protected. Only then we can be safe. So to have a crew that's cordial, disciplined, and obeys the rules is very, very important when you're shooting.
Okay. So thank you so much. That's all that I had from my end. But yeah, before we log off, I really wanted to know that is there anything that you tell our viewers, something particularly that definitely they're gonna watch that, watch the show. Yes, it's there. But yeah, is there anything else that you wanna tell to our viewers of the health side and BL both?
So I mean, I don't have anything specific to say. I just request everybody to stay safe, stay healthy, stay indoors as much as possible unless really required. Mask up while stepping out. Be very careful with your hygiene. Small things. This is going to get you, and you won't even realize. So just be as careful as possible. Take care of your family, friends, health, everything. And while you're sitting at home, if you've not watched The Big Bull yet, go watch it.
And definitely get vaccinated.
Yes.
True. Thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you so much for your time. I hope you get better, all the much more better, all the soon.
Thank you. Thank you.